I'm going to make a milk bite, which is I already boiled this milk, and I'm using paneer, which also made with whole milk. This is the whole milk right here. So I'm going to use dates. This is a ground dates. These are the dates. I'm going to use this one, which I ground it. I ground it, so I'm not going to use this one. This one stay as is just to show. They have a lot of potassium and fiber. So also I'm going to use cardamom ground powder little bit. So just for aroma, cardamom powder has nice aroma, so I'm going to cook that. I'm going to use same spoon here, which is 1 spoon, 2 spoon, I will check it later if I need more sweet. Now color will change because of this is natural sweet from dates, which are also called khajur in Urdu and Punjabi language. Khajur is if it's a one is a khajur, it's a more than one called Khajoorin or Khajura. Punjabi they call Khajura, and it is a Urdu called Khajoorin. So the dates. These are Mediterranean, but these dates are available entire world. The California have lot. So I'm gonna check this one. Then I'm gonna add this, which I make it like a bite size. I just round sloppy round. It's not a art actually. Just I made it. There's no same size. All are different size. So that I'm going to add it just as is. My hand is washed actually, so I'm very careful when it comes to cleaning. So that will go as is. And then I'm going to add, because of natural sweet, the color just change. If I put white sugar, then color will stay as is white, but I'm using natural. So that's a color change because of the natural color. So once I'm going to put it that, I'm going to leave it in the milk slow fire and leave it there like approximately maybe 15 to 20 minutes. That will be ready. Then I'm going to make short video.